In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to use the PlayStation controller on an Xbox Series S, while you can do this, you will need an adapter. If you try to do this natively by either plugging it in using a cable, so you plug it into any of the available USB ports, or you try to use Bluetooth by pressing and holding the PlayStation button and the share button, even though the controller might be recognized as a Bluetooth device, when you press buttons on the PlayStation 4 controller, the inputs will not be translated properly into the Xbox. So this is why you need an adapter. This is going to be a USB adapter that you can buy on places like Amazon or eBay. So I recommend this particular one from Brook. So you can find it on the Brook store, available on Amazon or other websites, and it is the Wingman XE2 converter. There are a lot of other options in the market, including other adapters made by different manufacturers, not from Brook. But as I've said before, this is the one that I recommend. As you can see, it will give you access to all sorts of controllers on various different platforms. So all that you have to do is plug this into any of the available ports on your Xbox Series S or any other console, and the PlayStation 4 controller will either pair itself up to the adapter, or you will be able to use a cable. So as you can see, wired or wireless connection. And after you plug it into your console, you will be able to use any sort of controller on your Xbox console. Brook makes all sorts of adapters, and you can see all of their lineup here. So they have ones designed for Xbox, they have some designed for fighting games, and they are always making new different types of adapters. But usually, this one will be enough for all of your controller needs. So all that you have to do is plug it in to your respective console and then connect the controller to the Brookman adapter. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.